Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you could be the first to see my videos. So in today's video, I decided to do these different treats for my son. He's 13, but I bought the chocolate to your left in order to make him a chocolate cake with ganache topping, and I decided to use the same chocolate for these. Don't use this chocolate, by the way. It came out too soft. It was kind of temperamental, but the proper ones are the ones that the chocolate melts. Use that one. So anyways, this is the mold that I bought from Amazon a while ago. And so like I said, the main purpose of you doing these treats was because this is a better look of the chocolate. It's really soft and moist and it's delicious. But you guys, it's really, it melts too fast. So use the chocolate melts, but I had it and I didn't want to go buy because it's a big bag. And it's really for the chocolate ganache cake that I wanted. I just decided that I wanted to do, see how it would work for these treats. And it's only, my son is 13, and let's say four of his friends are going to social distance in the yard. And I think they're going to be playing games and taking turns and make it as safe as possible. So the gray that you saw there was a white chocolate that I had, and I put a little bit of black in there to make it gray. And I didn't go all out in terms of, like, with this I wouldn't use a spoon because it's too small. I'll use probably a piping bag. But I had it. I said, hey, let me do this and show you guys some ideas you could do. Again, get the chocolate melt, or if you can't find the color that you want, buy the dye, the food coloring dye, but make sure it's has oil base, and you just melt it in the microwave. I'll do the cake, and hopefully I'll have that up on Sunday. That I used, really the purpose of buying this chocolate chip was for the chocolate ganache. It's really a good rich chocolate, but again, I wouldn't use it for any of these treats that I'm doing. But since I had it, I decided to do a quick little video. See, but I went ahead and put it in anyways, and I cleaned it. I'll be cleaning it up and add just tap it to get rid of all the air bubbles, and go ahead and clean up what you don't need. So this is how the chocolate look. I put it in the microwave for a few minutes, well, about 30 seconds each time. And this is just to show you that was the first 30 seconds. And I will go ahead and place M&Ms for the little control buttons. Again, to make it look nice and neat, I would use piping bag. But I didn't want to dye every little single color that I needed. And in most cases, I think I just went ahead and put the whole chocolate in the whole thing. It's just, like I said, it's a few of them. Most of them probably won't even eat it, because one year when I did this for them, I had so many treats that they took it home as a souvenir. So anyways, so when that's done, I'm gonna take the melt the chocolate more and then put it inside. And even then, see how it looks? I clean it up a little bit. You could turn it and see how it looks on the other side. And then you would put it in a refrigerator to make it get a little bit hard. Whatever, if you decide to use the same chocolate, when you're done for every layer, you have to put it in a fridge to make it hard, that so that you could add the second layer, the third layer, the fourth layer. So the chocolate's already melted, and I will go ahead and pour that in. I'm telling you guys, this chocolate is so soft. I did the strawberries. I'll be showing you the strawberries, and I will do the Rice Krispies. What I really wanted to do was put a photo of him on the cake, and also on the Rice Krispies. I was gonna send it to a edible a company that does print on edible paper. Instead of buying a machine, they could ship the. And then on the Rice Krispies, I was gonna put different pictures of him from birth till now. And he's like, "Mom, please don't do that." So I switched it up, and I just did. Well, I'll show you what I did. And another thing, my husband got those Rice Krispies for me, and they were a little bit bigger than I wanted. Yeah, I could have cut them in half, but I just went with the program. I just made a few because, like I said, there's a few of the kids. I don't want them to be eating too much junk anyways. And so the strawberries I made for my son, those are not for the little gathering that I don't even want to call it a gathering, because I literally like 4 kids, including my son. And when the first shutdown happened, it was right around his first birthday, and March of last year, when he's going to be 12. And I got him shoes and Air Force Ones and everything, and he didn't even get to wear them because he hasn't gone anywhere. My son hasn't even left the house. Like, he literally just goes with me to walk every now and then. So this is the mold in the refrigerator. Now make sure when you do the strawberries, they are dry. Not damp or wet. And then I just go ahead and twist it in there, let it drip off a little bit. And then if you have a piping bag, you kind of do like little designs back and forth. I only made like maybe 4 or 5 of these for my son. I had the chocolate and I said, let me give him a little, my other son, and gave him a little treat. And I just set them down on the wax paper in the little plate right there. And I laid them in there, and he enjoyed those. So what I will have for that day is basically just probably 4 Rice Krispies. I had some leftover M&Ms, so I just kind of poke them on there. And the remote, small chocolate, buttermilk chocolate cake with ganache topping and Snickers on top. So as you see, that's already enough sweets. And I'm probably going to send them home for the family if there's any other siblings or parents, the pieces of cake. And also, he wants tacos. So I don't know how I'm going to do that because he doesn't want it made. He wants it bought, and not Taco Bell. He wants like birria tacos or something, knowing my son. So this is basically the chocolate covered strawberries that I did. So now it's as hard as possible. It took, normally with chocolate melt, it literally take 10 minutes to 15 minutes at the most for this to get hard. This took like 30 minutes. So that's when I realized it was kind of hard to come out. And guys, if you haven't by now, please take this time to subscribe. And again, hit the notification bell button so that you can be the first to see my videos. So this is what it looks like. The little one, a portion, little top right there broke off. And some of the M&Ms just kind of like got covered up. So, but it came out cute. I like it. And he's pleased with it. So if I took my time, it could come out a lot better. And this is just a more close-up picture of what the remote looks like. He's a gamer, and he has a gaming chair, and he will be hopefully, well, he wants to start a Twitch account pretty soon. He has it, but he doesn't make money off of it. He just watch other, I guess, streamers. So this is the Rice Krispies my husband brought home. They were a little bit too big. Again, just cut them in half. And this is what they look like out of the box. So I just dipped a couple, like I'll show you right here. I just dip it in there, and I took a spoon and kind of like smudge it on a little bit, and that's what you have here. And I just poked some little M&Ms in there. Kind of rough looking, but it was fun. So this is all that I did. I did that's the mold with the chocolate up top, the remote control, the Rice Krispies, and down below is the strawberries. It was just a cute little idea. It was leftover chocolate that I bought for all the other reasons. But get the chocolate melt. Thanks.